चल
Yes, see, I'm going to the door. But when I will go away from the door, I will use I'm coming from the door. I'm coming from the door. See, I'm going nearer. So it is used to. But when I'm going away, it is used from. When you will go, when you will go to school away from your homes, so you will write there, I am coming from home and I am going to the school. But after lunch, when you will back, you can write, I am coming from school and I am going to the home. Now next, between, between, see here. Here are 3 pens. See here. Here are 3 pens. But where is the black pen? You can write your black pen is between red pen and brown pen. Where is the pen? Black pen. Black pen is between red pen and brown pen. Now see here. Where is the pencil? Where is the pencil? The pencil is between black pen and red pen. Okay? See, another word, behind. Behind. See here. Where is Mr. Sahi sir? Sahi sir is behind the curtain. Behind the curtain. I am here. Behind the curtain. Now see another example. Another example. Where is Shahi sir? Where is Shahi sir? Shahi sir is behind the door. Shahi sir is behind the door. Another example. At. At is used when the fix targeted. Suppose, where is my chair? Your chair is at the top of the roof. Where is chair? Chair is at the stairs. When it is shown fixed place, then you will use at. Now see, several things, students. I have made several pictures and you have to fill in the blanks. See here. Here is a well and the rat is falling. The rat is falling the well. You have to fill in the blanks. Another thing. Here is a table and here is a cat. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping where? The table. Which preposition will be used here? You have to fill it. Another thing. Here is a box and here are some pencils. You have to write the pencils or the box. Where? You have to fill here the preposition. Another thing. Here is a man, Mohan, and here is just upper side a fan. The fan is moving the head of Mohan. Where? You have to fill preposition here. Which preposition will be used? You have to fill here. Okay? Now see another. Here is a table and here is a book. You have to make the sentence using preposition, correct preposition. There is a book, the table. Which preposition will be used here? Another. Here is your school and Ram is going away from the school. So you have to write Ram is coming his school. Which preposition will be used here? Okay. Now another. Here is a gate and Ram is going nearer the gate. You have to use Ram is going. Which preposition you have to use here? Okay. See here. There are 3 persons, Ram, Sita and Lakshman. Sita is walking which preposition will be used? Ram and Lakshman. You have to fill up. So after filling that, you have to match the answer. I have written here answer here. See my answer. Here is the answer. I have made sentences and you have to tally it with your sentences. You have to do correct if you have written the wrong answer. So match these answers with your answers and then send your homeworks to me. I will watch in my own period. Okay? Thank you.